Yes. It's like a radical.
So today what we doing is this, folks. So at Kiwi, our first time, like with our pro chef, Mr. Teju. Hello. So we're gonna go do the MoMo cooking class today. A MoMo cooking class, but something special one. So we'll be cooked today. So right now we're gonna go for shopping. Let's do it. Vamonos. So we are here. Hazır. MoMo ko लागि. Hazır. Hazır. Thank you, brother. Thank you. So we got the meat. Now we're gonna go for shopping some vegetables and other ingredients. We're at the vegetable market. So what we're gonna need, everything, isn't it? Namaste. This is sugar curry. Sense of plastic water. So chef, what are we getting? Some. Yes. Cabbage. That doesn't matter. तेरे पर्दैन पिरो हुने कि त्यति त ल्याइदिनु हुन्छ हुन्छ के ल्याइदिनु यो धेरै पर्दैन 2-3 पिस राख्दै हुन्छ 3-4 पिस त उसको लागि मात्रै हो नि मोमो option. What any kind of so it's this is the they kind of call Sichuan pepper, but in reality it's not Sichuan pepper. It's called Timur. That's kind of give little Nepalese kick into chutneys. Local shops, so we have all the grains, beans. Metal buba, bagno. Tahu apa ni? So cooking class is going on here right now. This is our first cooking class. The Chef Teju. The kids are preparing and cutting. We just did the shopping right now. No. Okay. So cilantro here, some cabbage. Oh, he's a good chef. So how's it going so far? Good. Nice. Chicken here, some soybean, some cabbage, onions, oil, garlic, cilantro, chili, tomato, soy sauce, some garlic paste, just made right now. Paneer. What's cooking today? Veggie momo? Chicken momo? Also veggie also, yeah?
Yeah.
Veggie momo, paneer momo, paneer momo, some chutneys, sesame seed here, rolling, everything from the scratch. And so maybe some soup.
Yeah, it's getting better.
getting better.
Look nice.
Nice.
Not bad.
Your first time making momos?
Yeah, it's our first time.
But also back home you also have similar something, yeah? Like something like no, like dough, something that's more like Hungarian something. They have something kind of dumpling.
Nothing, but it looks different. This looks more like Chinese dumplings for us.
Yes, it does look like more like Chinese. That's basically the story of Momo in Nepal was created by like Tibetan refugee when they moved to Nepal. So that's where they brought the Chinese. So Momo is technically it's a Tibetan food, but in Nepal, what happened was it kind of mixed with Nepalese spice, everything, and now suddenly like Momo is like a Nepalese thing all over the world. Still, I'm gonna do something there. We have a new dishwasher in the house, huh? Hello, and what's your name? Ratka. We have a new dishwasher in town. Awesome. Here.